Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, who introduced the doctrine of lapse in British India? A. Lord Canning, B. Lord Dalhousie, C. Lord Curzon, D. Warren Hastings. The correct answer is option B, Lord Dalhousie. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie as a policy to annex states without a male heir. It played a major role in expanding British territory in India. Next question is, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to constitutional remedies? A. Article 32, B. Article 19, C. Article 14, D. Article 21. The correct answer is option A, Article 32. Article 32 empowers individuals to move the Supreme Court to enforce fundamental rights. It is described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution. Next question is, the Great Barrier Reef is located in which sea? A. Coral Sea, B. Arabian Sea, C. Tasman Sea, D. Arafura Sea. The correct answer is option A, Coral Sea. The Great Barrier Reef lies off the northeast coast of Australia in the Coral Sea. It is the world's largest coral reef system. Next question is, which gas is known as laughing gas? A. Nitric oxide, B. Nitrous oxide, C. Carbon monoxide, D. Methane. The correct answer is option B, nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide, N2O, causes a euphoric effect when inhaled, hence the nickname laughing gas. It is commonly used in dentistry and surgery. Next question is, which ancient text is associated with Indian performing arts like dance and drama? A. Arthashastra, B. Manusmriti, C. Natya Shastra, D. Rigveda. The correct answer is option C, Natya Shastra. Natya Shastra, attributed to Bharat is a foundational text for classical dance and drama. It describes gestures, stagecraft, and emotions in detail. Next question is, which Indian state is known as the land of Black Pagoda? A. Karnataka, B. Odisha, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Odisha. The Konark Sun Temple in Odisha is often called the Black Pagoda by European sailors. Its dark-colored stone and magnetic properties led to the name. Next question is, which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? A. Part 3, B. Part 2, C. Part 5, D. Part 4. The correct answer is option D, Part 4. Part 4 of the Indian Constitution outlines the directive principles guiding the state in policy making. These are not enforceable in courts, but are fundamental in governance. Next question is, what is the SI unit of electric capacitance? A. Ohm, B. Farad, C. Coulomb, D. Ampere. The correct answer is option B, Farad. The Farad F is the SI unit of capacitance, representing the ability of a body to store an electric charge. It is named after Michael Faraday. Next question is, who is regarded as the father of Indian Green Revolution? A. C. Subramaniam, B. Varghese Kurian, C. M.S. Swaminathan, Dr. M. Vishveshwaraya. The correct answer is option C, M.S. Swaminathan. M.S. Swaminathan pioneered the Green Revolution in India, introducing high-yielding crop varieties. It significantly improved food security in the country. Last question is, which Indian state does not share a border with Nepal? A. Sikkim, B. Uttarakhand, C. West Bengal, D. Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh does not touch Nepal, the others do. Now it's time for practice question. Which Indian dance form is recognized for its storytelling through hand gestures and facial expressions? A. Bharatnatyam, B. Kathak, C. Kathakali, D. Odissi. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.